Hi guys, Pete here, N6QW, and I wanted to demonstrate. I have a keypad capability for my KWM4, and I wanted to demonstrate the keypad capability. This is almost like a KWM 380, almost I said, but one of the things that can be done is you can tune and change bands from the keypad here, and notice this. Okay, right now we have it setting on 40 meters at 7.044.5 kilohertz. And so we can tune up in frequency, tune down in frequency, and that's at 100 hertz increments. And now I'm moving it over to kilohertz, and if I just hold it down, it'll slew up and slew down. Either you can toggle it, or you can just hold the key down and it'll go up and go down. And then we can move this over to the tens, and move this down, or to the hundreds, Now the other thing we can do is we can move the cursor, and when I move the cursor I change bands. So there's 17 meters, 15, 10. 10 is implemented in the bandpass filter but not in the low pass filter. I ran out of cores, and so we may just build an external low pass filter for 10 meters. But right now there's 15, there's 17, there's 20, there's 40, and there's 80 meters. So once I get it set on the band, then I can move the cursor, and I can even tune at a 1 hertz rate. So try that with your microBedX, guys. Here you are, tuning everything here on the just holding the keypad, holding the 8 key down, tunes it up. You can either toggle one increment or just holding it down. It keeps repeating. Now, two friends of mine, Tom Hall, AK2B, and Ron Taylor, G4GXO, implemented this in two different forms. The one I've got here now is the one that Ron implemented with a PIC 16F84, and Tom Hall, AK2B, did the same thing with the Arduino. So this is the K5BCQ STR to go frequency generator, and it has the ability to hook a keyboard to it. By imposing on my friend Ron Taylor and Tom Hall, I was able to, instead of having to lug a keyboard around, you can do it with a keypad. So there we go, tuning up. KWM4, guys, advanced beyond its ears. Try this with your microBedX. We can lock the keypad. So by locking it here, pressing the 1 key, no matter what I do, there it's unlocked. 1 locks it, so you can't tune. You can tune the dial. Nothing's going to move until you unlock it. N6QW, KWM4 with a keypad. Here's the keypad at 16. Not all the keys are implemented, but I happen to put this in with a 16 key, so if other functions come in, I can do it. KWM4 with a keypad, kind of advanced beyond its years. Here we moved up to 10 megahertz. WWV. $20. WWV on 15 megahertz. And 6 queued over here, tuning the KWM4 front keypad. Change bands to 40 meters.
miles south and west of Salt Lake. I think we got up to around 45 maybe today. Just beautiful for melting.
Without a doubt, without a doubt. You know, some of it, I understand, some of it I don't, and I've been around, you know, I've been around the block a few times with antennas and mobiles and things like that. But, yeah, he has an interesting thing that he's put out there. He's trying to determine whether it's horizontal or vertical polarization of a mobile antenna. And to me, I'm saying it's vertical, but hey, you know, I'm no expert. It's just my observations and things that I've had going on over the years with different mobiles and, you know, vertical antennas. Even my sloper, look at my sloper. Basically, it's a vertical antenna.
20 hertz off now.
The ground side of the coax is pointing towards the ground at a 45-degree angle, and you know, the center conductor is going up to 50-some feet. So
20 hertz the other side.
it seems to work pretty darn good, you know, especially for our stuff, vertical stuff. You know, what you call it, ground wave and all that good stuff. But when it comes to long distance, the guys, you know, other parts of the world, this and that, heck, my Bird B does a, you know, my Maple 4080 inverted B does a much better job. The signals are much stronger and all that. So I don't know. Whatever it is, it is. So other than that, what's new and exciting in Randy Land? Well, you know, this is the most important thing that I heard yesterday, and I do expect to hear, hopefully, some good news. That yesterday, when we talked about the situation for your little oxygen, portable oxygen generator situation, that you and your wife were going to go down there and straighten them folks out. Did you get that taken care of, boy? Can you see some, Kevin?
Well, something happened, the wife lost her voice. It happens to her once in a while. Someone around here, I don't know where,